Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today we're doing a comparison between Pabbly and Zapier integration. Pabbly and Zapier integration. So let's get started. Now I want to see which of them is the better value in 2025. Yes, because they have similar features like workflow automation and app integration. So it should take time to determine which of them is the better investment for your business. So in this comparison, I'm going to break down the specifics, analyze the pricing, features, their friendliness, and customer support. So by the end, you should be able to know which platform will provide you the best value for your unique needs. So let's get started. We're getting started with Pabbly. This is Pabbly, which is a powerful application to scale and grow your business. It gives you access to business critical applications like form creation, email marketing, billing, automation, and many other enhanced features at just one single price. Now, it's a no-nonsense automation tool perfect for budget-minded businesses. And you don't have to worry, it is easy to use, but it packs a punch, which is powerful features. Yes, it does. Now, the key benefits you get are unlimited workflow, so you can automate as much as you want, multi-step Zap, so you can create complex automation with ease, built-in email marketing, so you can send emails without needing under 2 and 800 plus app integration, so you can connect your favorite tools. So when it comes to so many great things, you can see it even has an offer right now you can log into if you are watching it right now. Anyway, let's move on. This is the number one most powerful business suite with no feature restriction without the high cost. So you can join about 14,000 plus businesses that trust Pabbly to streamline their requirements. Pay once for easy management of your business, and you get access to all Pabbly applications with Pabbly Plus plan. It's highly recommended. These are the best get to pricing. When it comes to pricing, we have the free plan, which gives you don't have access to all Pabbly plan. You don't have access to unlimited features though. But what you have access to is Pabbly Connect. So let's have every month you get Pabbly subscription, Pabbly email marketing, Pabbly form builder, Pabbly hook, Pabbly chat flow. So you go for the Pabbly Plus plan, you get access to all Pabbly apps, unlimited features, and you pay $39 per month, and you get access to all this. So moving on. So 100% no risk double guarantee. If you don't like Pabbly over the next 30 days, they will happily refund you 100% of your purchases, no questions asked. That's right. So they have seen the power of scaling your business. They're taking some time for their business scale today, and they are very sure to work. That is why they are very sure that you will enjoy it. So let's move on. So Pabbly is enterprise ready. To ensure seamless operation, security, privacy, and compliance needs to be coherent. It's a SOC SOC 2 Type 2 and ISO 27001-2022 certified. To ensure that the customer data is protected without any lapses in security, so you are safe with Pabbly. I know I keep calling it Pabbly and Pabbly. Anyone? Sorry about that. Then if you need any expert video tutorials on how to use every step of the way, you can watch their expert tutorials. They have so many, you can check it for now. It's free. Then look at so many customers, their reviews and stuff. You can see frequently ask questions, and they are really proud of their amazing team. This is the amazing team for Pabbly. Then so you can get all Pabbly apps at one price. Simplify, manage, and grow your business with a single Pabbly account. Access powerful tools for workflow automation, form building, email marketing, subscription billing, WhatsApp communication, and webhook market management all in one platform. So that's it. Now let's look at the pros and the cons. Now for the pros, this is great for tight budget. You can automate without worry. Email marketing is also a pro, and it's easy to learn. But for the cons, there are fewer options than some other competitors, and could use some improvement, and help may only sometimes readily available. So let's check out Zapier. This is Zapier integration. Let's see what they got for us. Now, Zapier is the big kahuna of automation platforms. Known for its massive library of integration and user-friendly interface, it's a popular choice for businesses of almost every size, but it comes with a higher price tag. That's right. So, the key benefits are about 5,000 plus app integration, built-in formatter, advanced filtering and branching, webhooks, and many others. You can see them. You can see them here. Omni-channel, AI, live chat, knowledge base, workflow automation, integration and API, support, report, analytics, ticketing, collaboration. So they have moved to email marketing, email, client communication, customer service. So many things you can get from it. Now, when it comes to pricing, so before we go to price, let's check them out. So Zapier connects funds with millions of apps, manage your inbox faster, and keep data in sync with no-code Zap workflows. So this is it. You might also like all this. So let's go back to Zapier again. This is not the real one I was looking for. Let's go to their main website. Let's go to Zapier's main website. So let's look for Zapier's main website. This should be it. Aha, this is their main website. So you can join millions to automate their work using Zapier. Stop waiting for developers to bring orders to your app. Take control with Zapier, streamline your tasks, and achieve more with less effort. So you can get started for free by putting your work email and signing up. Now, what is Zapier? Some people say they just like humans who think computers. They just some humans who think computers should do more work. So Zapier helps you automate the most tedious parts of your day-to-day job with 7,000 plus integrations and service offerings. They empower businesses everywhere to create processes and systems that let computers do what they are best at doing and let humans do what they are best at doing. So you can integrate, automate, innovate, and so much more. So now let's look at the pricing for Zapier. Now the pricing for Zapier is, we have the free version, professional, team plan, and enterprise plan. Under the free version, it's free forever with limited features. Professional, you pay $19.99 per month, and team plan you pay $69 per month, and enterprise plan you have to contact sales for that. Now the pros and the cons. Now for the pros, it has massive integration library, user-friendly, powerful features, and it's known for stability and uptime. While for the cons is that it can get expensive as your need grows, and you might hit your limits quickly if you automate a lot. And also mastering all the features takes time. So after all this, we've checked through everything and what our ultimate answer to this, which is the best for you. Well, we'll say this: for most users seeking for automating tasks and creating automated workflows, we recommend PABBLY Connect. Because it's affordable, combined with unlimited workflow and general task limits, it makes it the best value for the majority of automation processes. While Zapier boasts extensive integration capability and advanced features, its pricing can quickly escalate, especially for high-volume automation. If you have the budget and require intricate workflow demanding technical expertise, then Zapier might be the right fit for you. However, suppose you're looking for a powerful yet budget-friendly solution that doesn't count internal tasks against your limit. In that case, PABBLY Connect is a clear winner in the PABBLY Connect versus Zapier showdown. To trust us, we've tested this platform extensively. We say choose PABBLY and experience the power of automation without breaking the bank. Hope you found this video helpful. Do not forget to like, subscribe to this channel for more. You can also try both of them and see which one best works for you. You don't have to listen to us for final decision. So check to see which one is better for your complex workflow and see, because for us we believe that PABBLY is more suitable for simpler automation scenarios, while Zapier is built for complex workflow. So it's as simple as that. See you in the next video. Bye for now.